Good afternoon. My name is Jeff and welcome to my Tropical Garden channel. Today I wanted to talk about a few things. Number one, I had some questions from viewers that had questions about how I decided the location in my garden where I plant my extra tropical plants and trees. They've had some concerns because they would plant them out in the country, out in a field, and they die the first winter. Well, to be honest with you, I live in the city, and so I have a microclimate there, and I have a lot of houses in my neighborhood, so I have a extra warm microclimate there. And what's more is I plant my trees up against the south sides of the house when I can. Also, I plant them underneath the house's the roof overhang because this offers an additional amount of protection. So let's take a look at this plumeria, how I have it planted. But first, don't forget to subscribe and like if you get anything out of this video. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. So let's take a look at this plumeria plant that I have. And you notice that its location is right in front of the south-facing wall of my garage. And you see it's in the full sun. And you see that it's underneath the rain gutter. It's close enough to the house that it's only a tiny bit of it's open to the outside sky. And what that does is it affords a little protection on the coldest nights because the plant will super cool on a cold night. But during the day, like today when we're at 55 degrees, it will, the temperature in this area is very warm. If I was walking around the street, I would have to have a jacket. But here, the temperature is very warm. For example, you look over here, and I'll use a little IR thermometer, and up here in the shade, it's 71 degrees, which is pretty good. The heat's rising up from the wall and even warming up the shade. But if I was to show you how hot it is in the full sun, look at that. The wall is 109.5 degrees. Now you say, well, that's the wall. How does that affect my plant? Well, take a look here. Look at that. The plant is 91 degrees. It's loving it on a cool 55 degree day. Now what will happen is this house will absorb the heat during the sunny day, and then tonight when we get into the 30s, it may offer a slight bit of protection. It doesn't offer a lot, maybe a degree or two, because everything cools off quickly after dark. So yeah, I plant them up against the south sides of the house. I plant them whenever I possibly can. I can plant them next to a mass, a tree that has a large mass, up against between my house and the next door neighbors. All that adds to a little bit of frost protection, and does great. All my tropical things do great. I do get a little frost damage from time to time when we get down to low 20s, but it offers just enough protection to get them through. And that's one of the secrets to my success. My name is Jeff. If you like these videos, go ahead and click the subscribe button, like the notification bell, and if you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comment section below. You have a good day.